Hi folks, Cindy Williams here. Today is Saturday, July 6th, 2019, and I'm coming to you today to make a very short tutorial video on the enrollment process for our network. Let's go ahead and get started with it. You'll receive the enrollment link or referral link from your sponsor, come in this format and have their member ID at the end. Once you get that, click on that. Okay, it will take you to this page to begin your enrollment. First thing I want you to do is check the enroller's name here and make sure that it is the correct person, the person you want to sign up under. It will also have their enroller ID. Then you're going to go on down, put your first name here, last name there, your email here. Please double check that all this information is correct before you click continue. Once you click continue, it's going to tell you that you will receive an email to confirm and verify your email address. Check your email. It will come in this format from support@ournetwork.io. You'll have the option to check on this link or that link. It does not matter which one you click. They'll both take you to the same page, which will be here that you can go ahead and begin putting in your contact information to finish up your enrollment. First thing you're going to come to is your country. We have a drop-down menu here with this down arrow. Click on that. Currently, we have about 79 or 80 countries that are approved to enroll with our network. If your country is not in this drop-down list, please do not register at this time. Our network is currently adding more countries as we move forward. The process to get those countries enrolled differs from country to country, and they're following all guidelines and regulations to a T. So again, do not enroll if your country is not listed. It will be soon. Okay. So you've selected your country. Again, double check to make sure that your enroller's name is the correct person, and go on down to begin entering more of your personal information. Confirm that your first and last name are listed here and spelled correctly. You're going to move on to the birth date field. It has to be entered in this format, which will be month hyphen date hyphen year. Okay, there's also a drop down arrow here menu that you'll be able to click on and enter the birth date, your birth date in that format. Then we're going to move on to the Social Security or Government ID field. If you are in the United States, you will have to enter your correct Social Security number in this field. In other countries, you will enter your government issued ID or passport number. Then we're going to move on to your phone number. This area right here will have the country code for your phone number from the country that you live in, and then enter your area code and phone number. Move on down to the address line. Put your home street address in here. City, state. If you're in the United States, there's a drop-down menu here. You can click on that. Other than that, if you're in a country outside of the U.S., then you'll indicate what state you live in there and your postal or zip code. The next field you'll come to is corporate enrollment. Leave that blank for now. Do not enter any information. If later on down the road when we get to the banking phase of our network, then you'll have the opportunity to convert this over to a corporation or LLC, and if you have a different tax ID number, you'll be able to enter it then. So right now, leave it blank. Then you're going to move to the next page, which is create your password. Please read the criteria here that you need to make sure that you're making your password with. Okay, read that, follow the directions, enter your password here and here. Again, make sure on each page that you're completing that you go back through before you click continue and to double check and make sure that the information you've entered is correct. Okay. Then we're going to go on down to the terms and conditions. If you'd like to read them, you click on the red written terms and conditions. Otherwise, you can just, excuse me, must check this box. Whether you read the terms and conditions or not, you must check this box in order to move forward. Then you're going to click Proceed to Payment. And it will take you right here to this page to make your payment. You have to click this Check Out with PMC button. These buttons, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, do not work. The only button that works is Check Out with PMC. Click that, and it will take you to the payment page, which looks like this. Okay, the company that's currently processing our payments is PM Capital or PMC Coin, and indicate here on this payment page, it will show you that you owe $68 initially. That's a $30 one-time admin fee and a $38 for your first monthly membership fee as a charter member. Okay, moving forward, after you pay this initial payment of $68, your monthly fee to stay as a charter member will be $38. Okay, when you get to this section here, I want to take a moment, and as you can see here, my information is already in here for PMC because I have already registered with them. So my email and password are here. If you're a sponsor and you are going to perhaps pay for your new members' first month of enrollment, you can do so by clicking Log In here. If your details are in here, your email and password, or if you know that you are already a PMC member, you've already created an account, you can click Log In, and it will take you to a section that asks you if you want to use the card on file to make the payment for this new member, or if you'd like to use a different card. That's only sponsors that would use this upper portion. Other than that, for the new members that are enrolling for the first time, this entire area in the upper right-hand corner should be blank. Okay? You're going to come to this section here where it says Create Your Account. I just want to let you know this is the account that you're creating is for the payment processor that our network is currently using. So you have to create a separate account with that processor in order to move forward and make your payment. As you can see here, it indicates Visa, MasterCard, Discover. Currently, PMC is accepting Visa and MasterCard only. No Discover, no American Express, nothing else other than Visa and MasterCard. Okay? You're going to begin here inputting your name, which is the same as the name showing on your credit card. Then enter your credit card number, your expiration information, your month and year. Please note it has to be a dash. It cannot be a slash in between the month and the year. If you do not put a dash, it will give you an error message, just so you know. You're going to enter your CVC code or security code, your postal or zip code. Put an email in here. It can be the same one you use to register with our network, or it can be a different one. Again, it's a separate account than your our network. So it's up to you, whatever email you'd like to use. Indicate your phone number and confirm your email. Select a password, okay, to confirm your email and select a password. Sorry. Here, when it gets to this box, do not check this box. It says, I accept the terms and conditions. You must click on the blue written terms and conditions. Click on that. It will take you to the actual terms and conditions. You are more than welcome to read those if you choose. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page until you see a blue highlighted accept button. Click on that. It will take you back to the page and it will auto check this box. Okay? You must click on the terms and conditions. Do not check this box yourself. Okay? That will also give you an error message if you check it. You're going to go on to complete your billing address, your country, state, city, address, zip code. and then you will hit register or register and pay. Okay, and let me go over back to this page, right click right here, and right, it'll say register and pay. Okay. I apologize, this is the only slide that I had. It will show that you want to pay $68, not $38, $68. And you want to proceed. It'll have $68 here. Then click yes, proceed. Okay. And hopefully, if you've done everything correctly and followed this video to a T, you will get a registration complete new window that will pop up. We'll show you that you've made that the PMC PM Capital will be listed on your credit card statement in the amount of $68, not $38. Your monthly payments thereafter will be $38 per month. We had a promo code that ended June 30th, so now the initial fee is $68, not $38. Okay, notice here it will also have your new member ID and your referral link. Okay, you might want to bookmark that, keep it, make sure you have that written down. And you will also receive a confirmation email, which will welcome you to our network. That will come from support@ournetwork.io. Again, it'll have your name and your member ID and referral link. Make sure you keep this somewhere because this is how you're going to invite new members to join you. Okay? That just about does it. If there's any updates that need to be done to this, they'll be made at the time moving forward. And if you have any questions, reach out to myself, or you can ask in our team's Facebook group, John Johnson's Facebook group. And when you are asking a question, please go to our pinned post, find the link that says main Q&A, question and answer post. That is the only place that we will answer questions. Please do not try to post individual questions. Ask for admin approval. We do not approve individual questions within that group, only on that Q&A main post. It's always available in the pinned post. Same thing with welcoming new members. We have one main post. That link is also located in our pinned post. I want to make sure that everybody understands, as a new member, the first place you go once you get on our Facebook group is to our pinned post. Read through it at least on a weekly basis. It has all the important links right there at your fingertips. The pinned post is always the very first post at the top of our Facebook group. I want to also encourage every new member to go through our files section. Familiarize yourself with our pinned post and files section. You will find so many answers in there that you are looking for. The next steps that you need to do if you have questions is to reach out first to your sponsor. If your sponsor is unable to answer, they will move up the chain, and or you're welcome to ask all the questions you'd like in our main Q&A post within our Facebook group. Keep your eyes open because there's constant updates from John Johnson and other admins, and we welcome you to our team, to Team John Johnson, and to our network. Thank you very much. Everyone have a wonderful day.